Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. So today's topic is really based, which is how to prepare yourself to start to learning language in English. So how to prepare first? So here are some four methods and four things where you can start to use it in your life, automatically start to develop your English language. First, you need to have set a clear goal. Most of the people, they just assume I just want to be fluent in English language, but they don't have that kind of set clear goal. They just want to focus it. So first, you need to stay your mind clear. I just want to be fluent in English language. Second, immerse yourself in English thinking. If you're immersing whatever the content you're coming across in English language, you need to start, you need to show your curiosity about in English. Automatically you're immersing in English language and English content, and you can start learning and start to think in English very fast. That's why you should to immerse yourself in English language. Third, you will have to go through the four simple step method, which is a listening, reading, writing, and a speaking. So most of the people, they just they're giving the importance to a speaking. So it is not. You have to go through these four simple step, which is each and everyone is interconnecting with each other. So don't skip a single part, but most of the time you should to give your time on a listening, because listening is the most crucial part in order to get the actual real life situation. That's why focus on reading most of the time. Okay, so reading, writing, speaking, and just listening. Okay, and the fourth one, which is the last, stay consistent. Okay, so whatever you are doing in our life, everyone, each and everything, not just about on a language, each and everything you really want to achieve it, to you should to stay a consistent. To stay consistency, definitely everything can be get possible in our life. Nobody even can chase us. In my life, I have seen the stay consistency gives us so much of benefits in our life, and nobody even can compete with us. Okay, it's become the simple to understand. So best of luck, happy learning.